What's going on, guys? It's Jordan back today with today's second video. And in today's second video, yes, we're going to take a look at Bitcoin again because it is having an absolutely huge day. But guys, we have one more resistance we need to look out for Bitcoin, and we're going to look at it exactly in this video. We're going to take a look at what our next targets are for Bitcoin going forward. So if that sounds good to you guys are new to the channel, guys, don't forget to press the subscribe button, hit that alert box button before you go so you don't miss any of my 2 videos and live stream every single day. All right, so let's jump right on into the 4-hour chart here for Bitcoin. And as you guys can see, yesterday we did break out of our falling wedge. Well, really today, right, we broke out of our falling wedge. We were getting rejected from it yesterday, and we just couldn't break it. And then yesterday we broke out of that wedge. Now, our measure move out of that wedge, right, is from our most wide part of the wedge, right, extrapolated at our breakout point. And you can see exactly where that has confluence, right? That puts us right up towards about 55K. And you can see why that has so much confluence looking left, right? We got multiple touches on the top of this trend line here. And then it flipped as support, right? So it was our old rising wedge resistance. Now it flipped that as support. We got supported on it again, right? So that is really a huge level that I want to see us get back above to really continue our bullish trend. All right, unless we break that level, I see us staying in a relatively bearish trend. Until we break up towards 55K. All right, that's our measure move of our wedge. Now, we could just be in a rising channel. Now, as I'm making this video, Bitcoin is at about 49,700. So we are about 49,700 right at the top of this channel as I'm making this video. This chart hasn't updated because I made this chart before, obviously I'm making this video. But if we can break on a 4-hour close, I want to see a break somewhere above 49,000, really 49,800. 49,850. I think that is going to be breaking out of this possible, falling channel. Now, this is just speculation based on my previous video that I made today on Ethereum. If you guys haven't, go check it out, guys, after this video. But you guys can see this was our previous support, then flipped as resistance. So I would like to see us confirm a breakout by kind of denying this possible falling channel. You can see our touches are perfect, same as our falling wedge. But this is really the last possible consolidation pattern we could possibly be in for Bitcoin. But if we do break this level to the upside, that would confirm, that we are definitely going higher, in my opinion. And I would like also for us to break 51,200. You can see the confluence at this level, right? Our support all throughout this area, and then our resistance, and then our resistance again here. So I would like for us to break not only this falling channel possible resistance, that it's kind of just speculation. Right now, we're actually getting resistance at this level as we speak. But if we can get back above that level, guys, and also break 51,200, that would pretty much, if you look left, it's pretty much straight up, straight down from there. So we could just be going pretty high all the way back up to around 58,000. If we can break these 2 levels, guys. And I'm not kidding about that. Like, we have no resistance, obviously, looking left. We're in price discovery. So if we can break above this channel, guys, and above this green line that has so much confluence here at about 51,200 approximately, we could be sky to the races for the upside. Now, I also have to look at our bearish scenario, right? This doesn't have to play out with how bullish Bitcoin is today. We could and probably will, right, just continue to the upside. That's why I'm talking about the bullish scenario first. But it also is possible we get rejected at the top here and then continue down. Now, I would like to see us get support relatively at about this level right here, about 47,753. I would like to see us confirm that as support and get a bounce here to kind of just, just back testing old resistance as support. If we do get a fall there, guys, that's really what I'm looking at. If we continue to the downside, if we break that level, we could just be coming back down to retest our previous lows for sure for Bitcoin. If we drop as well, it's also possible we could have a little bit of inverse head and shoulders. You can see our left shoulder here, our head here, and then if we continue to drop here and then round out again, could have a right shoulder, but that's just pure speculation if we drop. We'll have to obviously wait and see if we can break through this previous resistance here. And if we do, all that bearish scenario is really not even going to play out, and we're just going to go back up to the upside, probably retesting 58K. day. All right, so that's the 4-hour chart. That's really what we're looking at, guys. Let's switch over to the daily. What do we have going on in the daily? Well, we're back above our 20-day moving average, which is such a key area. You can see every single time we drop below that 20-day moving average, it is the best time to buy in this bull market so far. You can see right here, right? Bitcoin doesn't like staying below that 20-day moving average very, very often, right? We usually get support on it. Right here, we got support on it. Right here, we got support on it, right? So when you're close or below that 20-day moving average, that's a great time to buy. You can see right here, that is the best time to buy. Here, best time to buy. Here, best time to buy. So like I keep saying, guys, Bitcoin does not like to stay below that 20-day moving average for too long, as you can see throughout this bull market. So, I mean, that was a great time to buy when we were below that 20-day moving average, and we just blasted straight through that 20-day moving average like it was butter, right? And, really what we did here is, and that's basically our $51,200 level that we have to get back above that green line. You can see, just how big that 50-day moving average is, guys. But let's switch on over to the weekly chart here for Bitcoin and see what our next Fibonacci retracement levels are. You can see our next Fibonacci retracement level, guys, is 63,682. And then after that, we have a 75,167. That is our 2.618 Fibonacci and our 4.236 Fibonacci on our next Fibonacci extension targets, right? From our previous all-time high to our bear market low, okay? Also, you can see what we keep doing, right? We keep pumping up, back testing our 1.618, and then continue up, right? Pumping up, back testing our 0.2618, our 2.618, and then continuing up. So will this trend continue where we just back test, our previous Fibonacci support levels? You can see right here, guys, on this initial pump, we pumped, we came back down, we back tested our 786, and then continued up, right? Bitcoin loves to back test these either Fibonacci retracements or these Fibonacci extension targets. So we'll continue to see if that trend plays out, but we really only have two longer term Fibonacci targets, guys, 63,682 and 75,167. That's really all we got left to look at for Bitcoin, guys. So Bitcoin's having a phenomenal day. As we speak, Bitcoin up about 7% on the day. But we have to remember, guys, we could get rejected here at the top of this possible channel, right? This is just pure speculation. Doesn't have to happen, but I wanted to give you guys a bearish scenario because we're seeing a lot of FOMO right now in the market, which is totally justified when Bitcoin pumps. If I had to flip a coin, I think we're going to continue up here, but I also have to give you guys the bearish scenario that we could continue back down in this channel. All right, guys, but that's the video on Bitcoin today. Hope you guys enjoyed. For all you guys that are new to the channel, right, for all you guys that love Bitcoin, love altcoins, make sure you guys don't forget to press the subscribe button right down below. I come out with 2 videos every single day and live stream every single day at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So make sure you guys don't miss on that. For all you guys that are subscribed, also press that alert box button down below next to subscribe button. Bitcoin, YouTube hasn't liked showing my showing crypto videos generally in the homepage. So make sure you guys push the alert box button so you don't miss any of my content. And I'll see you guys in the live stream tonight, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Stay easy, fellas. Peace out.